Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Audi Easy updated. Start by sketching a simple rectangle for the body, then add 2 circles for wheels and place the 4-ring grille at the front. Keep lines light and focus on proportion between wheelbase and cabin height. Simplify curves into smooth arcs, refine with an eraser, then ink, and add shading to suggest panels and reflections for a clean, stylized look. Now add recognizable details to make the car read like an Audi without overworking it. Place the 4 rings symmetrically on the grille, sketch headlights as clean trapezoids, and suggest side mirrors with small rectangles. Use faint lines for door seams and window frames, keeping shapes geometric and elegant. Darken key edges and add minor panel shading to imply depth while preserving the simple, easy-to-draw aesthetic for quick sketches. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy studio companion that eats eraser crumbs and pencil shavings while you focus on art, and it even responds to voice control for hands-free titty-ups. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Finish by choosing a light direction and applying consistent shading for volume and form. Hatch lightly along curves, deepen shadows under the wheels and beneath the bumper, and lift highlights with an eraser for a polished look. Keep contrast moderate so details remain clear in simple sketches, and avoid over-rendering to maintain the easy style. Finally, review proportions, tweak small lines, and sign your work for a neat completion.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.